Okay, there are five sa existing portfolio natin sa Jefferson. Ang general partner is si Sister, Berna, and me. Here's the thing. There are five things na ginagawa ng general partners. Number one is sourcing, contract, and closing. So, ang general partner, isa sa mga role niya is maghanap ng deal. Pangalawa, pag nakita na natin yung deal, tayo nagne-negotiate. Tayo nakikipag-usap sa broker, tayo tumatawag sa broker, agent, lawyer, financial, account manager, lenders, people who is involved sa magiging transaction. So, number one negotiation is with the broker. Ano yung price ng property? Tayong kumukuha ng information na yun. Pangatlo, tayo yung nag-underwrite. Sa ating mga sessions, meron tayong sessions about underwriting. Natututunan natin yun. As we go along, kada practice natin, mamamaster natin yung underwriting. So as general partner, kailangan marunong tayo nun. Number four, tayo yung nakikipag-usap para gumawa ng contract. Interesado ako sa property, alam ko na yung numbers, na-underwrite ko na-negotiate ko na, okay, we'll just put everything in papers. Role ng general partner yun. Panglima, tayo yung nag-visit, nag-i-inspect ng property kasama ang inspector. Kumbaga, involved tayo doon sa initial acquisition. So, yun yung number one. So, part ng sourcing, contract, and closing, yun yung ginagawa ng general partner. Hanapin ang deal, negotiate ang deal, i-underwrite yung deal, gawin ng contract, sign ng agreement, and then bisitahin ng property with all the inspections, due diligence na ginagawa. So, that's the one. Second, na role ng general partner, parang ang hirap naman maging general partner natin. Hindi naman. Hala nyo lang yon. Pangalawa, tayo yung involved pagdating sa initial capital na required ng acquisition. So, yung risk mag-fund ng whatever expenses, initial expenses, that's our next role. Puts money on the deal right away. Kailangan natin ng deposit, 100,000. Tayo nagpo-provide now. Kailangan natin ng pambayad sa inspector. Tayo nagbabayad. Merong environmental search na kailangan gawin. Tayo nagbabayad nun. May babayaran tayo sa mga fees ng kung ano man, lawyer fees, mga professional fees. Tayo nagbabayad nun. So that is an initial fees para sa acquisition ng property. Because general partner, tayo yung nagpo-provide ng initial down payment, or part of the down payment is the deposit, diba? Yung full down or anything pagdating sa closing, yun sama-sama na tayong lahat, just like what we did on Jefferson. Pero yung initial cost ng acquisition, yun ang ginagawa yun ang money that the general partner put in pag mag-acquire ng deal. Okay? Risk capital ang tawag doon. Number three, as general partner, tayo yung lumalabas na guarantor sa atin, tayo yung pumipirma ng mortgage document. Sa Jefferson, kaming dalawa ni Sister ang nag-sign ng mortgage document sa bank. Wala kayong pinirmahan doon. At as you experience, as limited partners, you just put in your money, wala kayong pinirmahan sa mortgage. Ang pinirmahan natin is the lawyers, paperwork. Pero yung mortgage itself, kaming dalawa ni Sister ang nag-sign doon. So, guarantor of the asset as general partner. Number four, asset management. Kahit meron tayong property management team na nag-aasikaso doon sa facility, ang general partner pa rin, tayo pa rin yung nag-oversee at some point. Tama ba yung ginagawa ng property management? Yung bang caretaker, tinatrabaho ba niya yung dapat niyang trabahuhin? So, merong ganong participation ng general partners. General partners, merong kang role na merong a little bit of overseeing but you're not hands-on. Okay? O ganon. May report kang tinatanggap from the property management, nire-review namin yun as general partners. So far naman, wala naman tayong any big issues on Jefferson, which is all good. Last but not least is investors relation. So ang general partner, at some point, naghahanap tayo ng pwede nating makasama sa investment. Meron tayong ganon. Naghahanap tayo ng someone who can be part of the investment team. Isang role natin yun. And then, someone is also responsible to communicate with limited partners. Nag-update, ano na nangyayari. So, ito yung ginagawa ko as much as possible with you. And then, si Sister, yung mga tawag nito, pagdating sa finance, computations, and everything, reports, ayun. Meron tayong ginagawa nun as general partners. Yung naging basis ng ating first distribution. So kami dalawa ni sister. As part of the investors relations, kami nagpa-facilitate nun. So kami yung gumagawa. Communications and reporting, meron na tayong susunod na property. So we are informing that to you. So investors relations, yun yung so simply put, open book tayo dito pagdating sa information about the property.